Hi everyone, my name is Mohammed Ashif Mekham and I am Business Intelligence Engineer, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a chart and specifically by using SSRS SQL Server Reporting Services. First of all, I have to mention that I am going to continue working on the report that I already created in the last video that I uploaded the last week on YouTube. It's an HR solution. In that video, I already created two dynamic tables using parameters and filters. You can find the link of the video in the description below. So let's start. I'm going first to create another table. The purpose of this action is to test the pie after we create it. So let's start. First of all, let me increase the height of the body. Now let's insert another table. I'm going to use the salary. Let's delete this column. And I'm going to add a group, a parent group, which is job title. So I'm going to use total of the salaries. Let's please split this cell, job title. I'm going to hide this row. Let's change the format of the salary as the last time. And here we go. So let's run the report. It will show us the sum of the salaries, the month salaries by job title. So let me do something. I will hide the two tables that we already created the last week. We do not need it. Okay, here we go. So let's start with creating our chart. Insert chart. Here we're going to use, here as you can see, multiple chart type. In this video I'm going to use a pie. Also in the pie we have multiple types, as you can see. So let's start. This is the regular pie. Double click. We have here the chart data, the values, the category groups, and the series groups. So in the categories, I'm going to use job title. And in the values, I'm going to use the salaries, drag and drop. It shows us some. You can do another expression if you want to. So here the chart title, we can set total month salaries by job subtitles. Okay, let me see. We are going to center the title. Also, I'm going to change the color. I will make it bold first of all, and I'm going to change it to red. Also, I'm going to increase to 10 the size of the right. Also, I'm going to increase the pie. It's just because I already know that we have a lot of job titles. Let's run the report again. Okay, so here we have the job titles and here the month salaries, but it's missing something. We like to show the months here. So show data labels. Let's run it again. Okay, the numbers are too close, so I'm going to increase the dimension of the pie. Let's see what we can do. Okay, let's run it again. It's more clear here, you see. So let's see here, this color is 15,000. Business developer manager. Business developer manager, here it's 15,000. Okay, so we did a good calculation. It's good. So let's see another color. Okay, uh, this one, help desk technical support, 212,000 month, the sum of month salaries. Let's see, you see, it's the same number. And we can also change the colors of the chart. You make it custom. You have to change it by yourself. Okay, so that's all for this video. I hope that you enjoy it. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and comment with what you want to see the next video. What is the technology that you want to see in the next video? BI technologies. So thanks for watching. Like this video and goodbye for another video.